Hi, my name is Bethany, and for Chapter 4's mini lecture, I will be describing the general structure of a neuron and the types of functions of neurons. The first part is the cell body, which contains the nucleus. The nucleus is what regulates homeostasis for the neuron. The dendrite is the next part, which is the extension from the cell's body. They are responsible for receiving information from surrounding neurons. It receives neural impulses. The next part is called the axon, also known as the neuron fiber. Its job is to send information from the neuron, and there is only one fiber per neuron, unlike the dendrite, which could be anywhere from none to thousands. These fibers have branch like pieces called collaterals. The end of the axon are called terminals, which provide a signal for neurotransmitters that are passed from the neuron to the muscle. Axons are usually covered in myelin, which is the membrane that helps speed up the transmission of signals from one neuron to another. This process occurs at the synapse. Moving on to the types and functions, there are three types and functions. The first one is a sensory neuron. They are responsible for receiving information from different sensory receptors in the body and then convert it to an electrical signal that can be received by the central nervous system. The second type is an interneuron. They originate and die in the brain or the spinal cord, and their job is to make connections between axons that are either coming from the brain to the spinal cord or the spinal cord to the brain. The third is motor neurons, and there are two types of motor neurons. The first one is known as a alpha motor. They are found mostly in the spinal cord, and then the gamma motor neurons that supply a bit of skeletal muscle. And that is all. Thank you so much for listening.